On March 13th, American Airlines Flight 1006, a Boeing 737-800 traveling from Colorado Springs to Dallas-Fort Worth, diverted to Denver International Airport after an engine fire broke out upon landing. Passengers described a terrifying scene as flames engulfed the right engine, causing windows to bubble and melt. Thick smoke filled the cabin as 172 passengers and 6 crew members evacuated using emergency slides, with many standing on the wing to escape. All on board survived, though 12 passengers were hospitalized. Emergency crews quickly extinguished the fire. The incident adds to concerns about U.S. aviation safety, with 153 accidents and 105 fatalities reported in 2025. Authorities are investigating the cause of the engine fire, while passengers are left shaken by the traumatic experience.